English Unlimited A1 Skills, page 36. Unit 4.4 Goals. Write a description and join ideas using and but. Unit 4 Explore Writing. Exercise 1. Look at these examples. Add and or but in the gaps. We use and to join two ideas if they are the same. For example, you give some good information about something and then you are going to add more good information. You would join it with and. Or you give some bad information about something and you want to add more bad information. You join it with and. But if you give some good information about something and then you want to add some bad information, so it's different, we use but. Listen to these examples. A. We have a nice apartment in Berlin. The rooms are big. It has a big balcony. So, the rooms are big. This is good information. It has a big balcony. This is good information, something positive. So we have a positive thing plus a positive, join it with and. We have a nice apartment in Berlin, the rooms are big, and it has a big balcony. However, now look at exercise B. I have an apartment in Berlin. It's very small. I like it. So here, it's very small. It's a bad thing. But I like it is a good thing. So there's a difference here. So when we join them with but. I have an apartment in Berlin. It's very small, but I like it. Exercise 2. Add and or but and a sentence from the box. It's quite noisy at night. They have very good ice cream. There are only 2 shops. Only one lives at home. And the sentences? Number 1. It's a very small village. There's no school. Number 2. The hotel is okay. Our room is very nice. Number 3. They're a big family. They have 5 children. Number 4. It's a good cafe. The coffee is very good. Now, use the expressions in the box to complete each sentence. For example, number 1. It's a very small village. There's no school. That's a bad thing. There are only 2 shops. That's also a bad thing. So we join it with and. It's a very small village. There's no school and there are only 2 shops. Now try sentences 2, 3 and 4. Now check your answers. The hotel is okay. Our room is very nice. That's a good thing. It's quite noisy at night. That's a bad thing. So we join it with but. The hotel is okay. Our room is very nice, but it's quite noisy at night. Number 3. They're a big family. They have 5 children, but only one lives at home. Number 4. It's a good cafe. The coffee is very good. That's a good thing. They have very good ice cream. That's also a good thing. So we join it with and. It's a good cafe, the coffee is very good, and they have a very good ice cream. Number 3. Write about 3 of these things. A cafe or restaurant near you, your family, a hotel, a town or village, your home. Make sentences using and or but. For example, number 1. There is a cafe near my house. It is clean. This is a good thing. So we could say, and service is good. So 2 good things. It's clean and the service is good. We join it with and. Look at number 2. I live in a small village. It is a beautiful hilly area. See if you can finish that sentence. You could say and with another good thing, or you could say but with a bad thing. For example, A and B. I live in a small village. It is a beautiful hilly area, but water is a problem. So we have one good thing, a beautiful hilly area, but we have a problem. So we join it with but. Number 3. I have a big family. We care for each other. A, and we are very happy. B, but we are very happy. We care for each other, a good thing. We are very happy, a good thing. So we join it with and. Number 4. My home is near the city. It is a nice place. It is also quiet, a good thing. It is also quiet is not a bad thing. So we join it with and. My home is near the city. It is a nice place. That's a good thing. It is also quiet, a good thing. Join it with and. Number 5. There is a hotel next to my apartment. It is big. That's a good thing. But there's no parking. So we have one good thing, it is big. There's no parking. A bad thing, we join it with but. There is a hotel near my apartment. It is big, but there's no parking. Now, practice saying those sentences yourself and see if you can think of some of your own sentences using and or but. Exercise 2. Look at these sentences from the text. Circle the form of the verb be. Am, is, and are. Number 1. I'm from Abu Dhabi. 2. There's only one problem. 3. Sayyad is a very good restaurant. 4. There are many good places to eat. Now, check your answers. All of these are the verb to be. Exercise 3. Now find 9 other examples of the verb to be in the following texts. Now check your answers. All of those are examples of the verb to be. Exercise 4. Add a form of be, is or are to complete each sentence. Now, check your answers. Number 1. Mama Wheel is a great restaurant. Mama Wheel is singular, so we use is. Sayad is by the sea, so it has good views. Sayad, singular, we use is. There are lots of Thai restaurants here. Lots of Thai restaurants, plural. We must use are. And number 4, the waiters in Mawawil are very nice. Waiters is plural, so we use are. Now practice saying those sentences. Exercise 5. Read the text. Add forms of the verb to be, am, is, or are, so it is correct. Now, check your answers. Hilal. I am here with my family, but we are from Amman in Jordan. Our favourite restaurant is Al Dhafra. It is a Lebanese restaurant, and the food is always very good. The restaurant is in Mina Road. Now, practice reading the correct text. Exercise 6. Write about a restaurant you know. Use these sentence beginnings to help you. Now, check the example answers. It's a very clean restaurant. It's near my home. There's a big parking space for customers. The food is always fresh and delicious. The waiters are helpful and friendly. There are many people, especially at night. Now, practice reading these sentences and make some more sentences of your own. Now, do the extra exercise using what you have learned on page 36. Write and or but on the space to complete the sentence. Now, check your answers. Number 1. It was a difficult exam, but I passed it. Number 2. She worked hard and made a lot of money. Number 3. He looks too serious, but in fact, he's so much fun. Number 4. I was against the new project, but I accepted to help. Number 5. He was late and wasn't allowed to get in. Number 6. It was very expensive, but I bought it. Number 7. She was very poor, but she never asked for help. Number 8. He wanted to eat sushi for dinner, but he couldn't find a Japanese restaurant. Number 9. He stopped talking and lit a cigarette. Number 10. I wanted to attend the meeting, but I couldn't because I was very ill. Now, practice reading those sentences again.